Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your WhatsApp call if it is showing reconnecting on the iPhone. Now first of all, go to your app store and check if your WhatsApp is on the latest version or not. So search WhatsApp, and as you can see here, my WhatsApp version is on the latest update. Now you also need to check if your Wi-Fi is connected on the stable connection or not. And as you can see, my Wi-Fi is connected to the stable connection. And you also need to check if your iOS version is on the latest update. So go to general software update, and as you can see, it has given me a new update, so I'll update it later. But that's it. If it is showing you reconnecting problem on your iOS WhatsApp, then all you have to do is these steps. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.